Yep. So hello everyone. This is Sujay Datta. We were discussing concepts of percentages. This is the third such concept. We are looking at successive percentage change. So one after the other. Okay. Percentage changes happening one after the other. So let us say there is a 10% increase followed by 20% increase one after the other. So what is the net increase? So you might be tempted in doing 10% increase means there is a multiplying factor of 1.1. We have discussed multiplying factors last time, followed by another multiplying factor of 1.2. Since these are multiplying factors, so we are going to multiply. Okay, the result gives you 1.32. So that basically means you have multiplied 1.32. That's the net multiplying factor. Means there must have been a 32% increase. To check with values, let's take 100. 10% increase will make that 110. On 110, 20% is 22. So if you add that, you are going to get 132. Okay, here we are adding 22, here we have added 10. So net change is 32 on 100. So that's a 32%. Okay. The logic behind this is, why is it not simply 10 plus 20 is, if this is your 100, after the first change, you have this as your extra 10%. After that, when you have the next 20%, the 100 and the 10% remain as they are. And then on 100, you have a 20% coming in. So this is your 10, this is your 20. And you have a 20% of the 10. So that is 2. So you have a 2 coming in also. That results in 32 as the net increase. So if you want a formula for this, we can say that X% followed by Y%. The net change is given by X plus Y plus XY over 100%. So if you check, 10 plus 20 is 30, plus 10 times 20 is 200, by 100 is 2. So this is the basic concept of successive percentage changes. There are a wide variety of applications of this. So that will come to gradually. Let's, for example, let's take an example and understand the applications. So here we have this question, says that the production of a factory increased by 25%. So that means we are looking at the data. So let's quickly jot it down. So 2021, then 2022, and then 2023. So from 21 to 22, there was 25% increase. And 2021 to 23, overall, there was a 50% increase. We have been asked to find how much was the change here. So one way of doing it, say X%, we can use successive very easily. 25 plus X plus 25X over 100 is the net result 50. 25X over 100 is X by 4, X plus X by 4. So 5X over 4, 25 goes that side, is 25. So X is 20. We are done with this. An alternative could have been that you have a multiplier of 1.25 or 5 over 4. So an alternative factor method, 5 over 4 times what is 50% means a 3 over 2. Okay. So that question mark that you want is 3 over 2 times 4 over 5, which is 6 over 5, meaning which is 1.2. Multiplying factor of 1.2 means 20%. That's basically the same. So this is the application. Thanks for watching.